tutorial. We are going to do not a beginner tutorial. I mean, like, if you can do it, that's amazing, absolutely amazing. And then we're gonna do a average/advanced tutorial. It's mostly advanced and also a bit average, but so we're gonna do a really smooth spin. Let me show you what a very not smooth spin is. How smooth is that? It's not smooth at all, if you ask me. So I'm going to teach you how to make a really smooth spin. Now, what was the last tutorial we did? Oh yeah, it was a bobble tutorial. So, let's get started. First, bring out a 1 green flag clicked. We are going to get a repeat block. Replace the 10 with a 250. Now we're gonna get a point and direction. Now here's some supposedly the advanced stuff. We're going to go to operators. There's a lot of operators in here. We're gonna drag in a addition, and on the side, on the right, not the left this time. The right. We're gonna write 90. Then we're gonna get a multiplication symbol. If you guys don't know what a multiplication symbol is on Scratch, it is basically an asterisk. It is above the 8 key. Now we're gonna put it right next to the plus sign, and right here on the right of this multiplication symbol, we're gonna change it to 5. Then we're gonna get a 10. It's an operator too, and it's going to be a 10 of another multiplication symbol. There's a lot of multiplication. Did I not mention there's a lot of operators? This is going to be 100. So we're going to put timer. It's going to be on the left too. Now another part of this code. Don't worry, we're almost done. If you got it all correct, good job. Good job. Yeah, I think it's pretty hard. Now I'm gonna change this to, instead of abs, to cos, not a cos. I think I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong, but it's gonna be cos. Cos of. Actually, sorry. I'm so sorry. We're gonna do a multiplication symbol actually, and then we're gonna put this right there. That on the multiplication symbol is going to be 10. Sorry, not 10, 20, just 10. Okay, 10. We're going to get a multiplication symbol. Put that right there. Not multiplication, we love multiplication. Now we're going to get a 200. Now let's duplicate this timer. Sorry. Now we are done with the code, but we also need to change this to 00 because we want to be centered in the middle while we do this. Now let's check out the video. That is honestly really cool. Potato, I have a question for you. How long exactly is 252 seconds? Well, technically, 250 repeats is technically 8 seconds. So, you guys can use your calculations. I am not in the mood to do that right now, so please do that so you can find exactly the right time to do this. So, that probably concludes it for my tutorial. Good job for those who did it. And also, if you haven't clicked that subscribe or yes, called it. Click that. If you do not know what that is the bell, which is where you get notified anytime, like a ringing bell. So, goodbye. That is honestly really cool.